Hello, today I am reviewing these LED lamps I got for my Toyota Camry to replace the existing halogens. They're a straight OEM replacement. They should just click in and out. As you can take a look, this is how it comes like. The existing halogen lights aren't very bright and we live in a dark area, so I needed something to replace them quickly. So let me show you quickly how much light's put on the halogens, and then we'll compare the difference and show you how it is to install. So this is the amount of light that's put out with my existing halogens. It's not real bright. It's very orange. Like I said, I've got both the headlights and the fog lights on. I will eventually replace the fog lights with some LED too, because I'm not real keen on those either. But you can see this is the amount of light. So now I'll turn the headlights off and I'll show you how easy it is to install these LED headlights. Okay, so to remove the LED lamps on the existing, halogen lamps on my Toyota Camry, it's actually quite simple. They're actually just housed here, and all you do is click to turn this sideways, and there's a connector right here. This is actually kind of hot right now because I just had them on. So you then simply press the connector in, and it'll come out. And that's simply how easy it is to remove them. To install the LED lamps, so it has a little bit of there's an anti-flicker box. I think this is what it's for. It sticks out here. So same premise though. You would literally click in the connector into the existing connector, like that, and then as you can see, it just makes an attachment, and then you would actually just put the lamp back into the holder, and once you line it up, it should just be a simple twist and it'll sit like that. Because of the box and the cabling head down, I put a little cable clip here so I can actually connect it. Hang on. So I've connected them together, and like I said, I had a little cable clip just to hold the actual connector up. So what I did was just simply connect that like that and push that in. So then it holds it out of the way. And then it's simply, those headlights should be effective. I'll show you the difference between the LED lamps and the halogen. Okay, so now you can see the difference. I've actually changed the LED lamp out. This is the new LED, and this is the existing halogen. As you can see, it's much brighter, much wider, and I like it a lot. It looks great on the road. It actually gives me better driving ability. So they're very easy to change out. Like I said, they're just literally a connect together, push it in, and then you twist on the headlight. Anyway, really like these headlight lamps. They're a great price. I did a lot of shopping around before I purchased them. And like I said, we're very happy with the purchase. Thank you very much.
Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.